Welcome to Why Would You Wednesdays, episode number 5. Wow, can you believe it? 5 episodes already? Why Would You Wednesday? We're back where we tell you things we bring on a cruise that others might think, why would you bring that?
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
So, in today's episode, guys, this might be the weirdest thing we've talked about so far, but trust me, if you're sharing a cabin, you're going to be thankful that someone packs this.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Welcome back, guys, to Why Would You Wednesday. Thanks for joining us on the channel again. If you're new here, I'm Mitch from the KAM Fam, and every Wednesday, 12:34 Central Standard Time, we're bringing you items that are on our permanent packing list. And others might say, why would you bring that?
Why would ya?
So we told you earlier, this one might make things better if you're sharing a cabin. We all know how good the food is on a cruise, and sometimes we overindulge, which means a few extra trips to the restroom. So one thing you want to make sure you have in your packing bag is poopery. Poopery is going to save the day and is going to save you and others from some unwanted smells. Guys, squirt this in the toilet, change the air, and make everyone happy because we're all here to have a good time on a cruise. So don't let your eating ruin it for everyone else. And if you're thinking just go to the restroom somewhere else on the cruise ship, have you seen the size of the restrooms in the public spaces? They're smaller than your own cabin. So don't forget, pack poopery. It'll save the day. All right, guys, that is going to be another episode of Why Would You Wednesday. So let us know in the comments, is poopery on your packing list? Is it going to be on your packing list? Or is it something you're saying, why would you bring that?
Why would ya?
So, hey, guys, thanks for watching. Leave us a like. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And we will catch you next Wednesday, 12:34, 1, 2, 3, 4, for another episode of Why Would You Wednesday. Thanks for watching.
Why would ya Wednesday?